Hey there, lovely viewers! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the place where we bring you all sorts of fantastic DIY ideas to make your life easier and more eco-friendly. Today, we've got something truly genius in store for you. DIY laundry soap using all natural ingredients. So, let's dive right into it. Our all-natural laundry soap recipe calls for some fantastic ingredients. First up, we need a 4-pound box of borax. It is a cleaning powerhouse, which occurs naturally in evaporated deposits produced by the repeated evaporation of seasonal lakes. It will help remove tough stains and brighten your whites. Then, we've got 3.5 pounds of baking soda, which acts as a gentle yet effective detergent booster. 3 bars Castille bar soap, which is biodegradable, helps to clean your clothes, and it's safe for sensitive skin. And let's not forget about 3 pounds of washing soda. You can even make it yourself. Check the link in the description for DIY cleaning products that really work. Finally, we're going to add a bottle of Method fragrance boosters for that delightful, fresh scent. This is not necessary, but it adds a nice scent to your laundry. The rest of the ingredients leave your laundry smelling clean and fresh without the fragrance boosters. Now, let's get to mixing this genius DIY laundry soap. Start by grating your Castille bar soap into fine shavings. You can use a cheese grater for this, or use your food processor for faster results. Grind the ends of the bars with a chopping blade until you have a fine powder. Then, add some of the baking soda and some of the soap shavings. Pulse the food processor, or mix by hand, until the soap has been ground into fine pieces. Place the mixture in a large Ziploc bag. Add more soap and more baking soda to the food processor and repeat the process. When all of the soap has been ground into fine particles and placed in the Ziploc bag, add the fragrance booster beads to the food processor and grind into fine particles. Pour into the bag. Pour any remaining baking soda and all of the borax into the bag. Mix all of the ingredients together well in the bag, then pour into a jar or container for use in your laundry room. And there is your very own all-natural DIY laundry soap. But how much should you use? Well, it's simple. For HE front-loading washers, use just 1 tablespoon per load. It's incredibly effective, so you don't need much. Now, for those of you with top-loading washers, you can go up to 2 heaping tablespoons per load for that extra cleaning power. By the way, if you're interested in making your own washing soda and exploring more DIY cleaning products, click the link in the description box for the video titled DIY Washing Soda for DIY cleaning products that really work. It's another game changer. So, there is your very own genius DIY laundry soap using all natural ingredients. Give it a try, and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We have a ton of incredible DIY ideas, cleaning hacks, and eco-friendly solutions coming your way, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. See you in the next one.